Salutations, queens and kings. This is Queen Jam back again to do one of our tutorial / reviews on our ready-to-wear head wraps that we have on our website, qk.jj.org. And this one that I'll be reviewing is called the LaGrande because it has an extra large bun compared to, I have another. Compared to the size of this bun, it's completely different. Probably twice the size, I would say. So this is our LaGrande, and of course, like always, I have on our caps that we have to protect my hair. And this one is a cotton stretchy knit that has a nice give to it, so it stretches over your hair. And I'm just gonna place this one on. And there you have it. Once it's placed on, I just love how large this one is, because if you want to go somewhere and make a statement and stand out, this is the perfect one because it's so huge. And I'll just give you different angles. I absolutely love this one. I'll do the back as well. The back doesn't have, this one doesn't have the natural pleats in the back, just a bunching. So you have that in the back. Of course, my tag is out. But that in the back. On the side. The side on this side. And I mean, I just love this one. The floral print on it is very, very nice. Very exaggerated. And this one, you can also, you know, place it over to the side if you're looking for something different. Place it over to the other side. Oh, I mean, I just love how huge this one is. Turn it over on this side, just like I did the ebony tutorial for our ebony head wrap. You can go back and watch that one. This one, you know, has different styling options as well. It's not just one head wrap. So you can give it that side view if that's your good side. You can place it on this side, have that going for you. Or you could do a low back to the corner. I love this one with like a sundress. You have like an off the shoulder sundress. And I'm not gonna do that right now, but I just love the way that looks. And then low back to the other side. And with the front, like, it doesn't matter. Like, if you want it to be like that, you can. It's all up to you. But if you want it to be more back, you can do that as well. Some people like to embrace their forehead. I love my large forehead. Some people don't. They want to hide it. But I'm about living your truth. You got a big forehead, embrace that thing, okay? So there you go. It makes it look like you have one of those little swoosh side bangs situations going on. And then of course the low back middle. This one is a conservative look because just straight on, it doesn't look like you have that much going on. And then bam, check me out. You know, I love this one. And I probably say that about all of the head wraps, but I just love how big this one is. I went into Walmart with this on. Everybody was just looking like, where are you going? Okay? Sometimes you gotta wear heels to the grocery store, you know? But yes, this one is ready to wear. No wrapping required. You don't have to keep adjusting and fixing and all that stuff. It is just place it on, stretch it over your hair, your head, or any type of rollers or rods that you have in. It stretches. It's going to give you a good stretch. So you can, you know, pull it over whatever it is that you need to pull it over. And that's about it, you guys. This one, again, is called the LaGrande. It's on our website, qkjj.org. Check it out. I also have our t-shirt on, so I'll lift it up right here. That's our website right there. Custom crowns and treasures for women and men, queen and king. So it's definitely something that's obtainable, something comfy, something cute, something affordable, and very quick and convenient, because there's times where you're in a rush and you don't have time to wrap your hair. Just throwing this over saves you so much time, and not having to repeatedly wrap the fabric that you buy. It's just going to save you time, money, effort, and everything. Effortless luxury. Okay? So again, thank you for tuning in, and comment, like, subscribe, of course, and just let us know how you like this head wrap, how you like other head wraps, what different head wraps you'd like to see us do, as well as any type of embellishments that you would like to see us do. And we'll be here. We'll work together with you. These can be custom ordered. If you wanted the bun smaller, you really like it, but you want the bun smaller, we can do that as well. Or if you just want the turban, we do have that as an option as well. So just go check our website out, and you will see what we have to offer. And I will speak with you soon. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.